was happily traveling across the American state of Arizona. I have no idea how I got here. It was traveling very quickly. A bit too quickly. Look, unrealistically not bad. Oh my goodness! Alright, Timothy, off we go. Timothy? Sure thing. Timothy continued to run smoothly for a time, but as they approached the final station, it happened. Neither the driver nor fireman could shut off steam and apply the brakes. Instead, Timothy started to go faster and faster. The station master tried to flag him down, but Timothy raced right through the station into the distance, towards the unfinished viaduct. Cash! Stop! Timothy! You're doing something!
Oh, now, Lois, it's time for my favorite holiday movie, Frosty the Snowman, where a hero takes a little girl into the woods and then brags that he can disappear whenever he wants. Can't see the TV. I must be dreaming. Dream! What's that, your first move?
The TV's gone, what kind of corn? We need money for Christmas gifts, so I sold it.
What? This rageful anger calls for alcohol. We now return to Frosty the Snowman. There was indeed some magic in that old silk, along with duct tape, zip ties, and some very troubling Polaroids.
Hey, this is the kind of wholesome stuff on this kind of TV. Lois is right, Peter. Network television stinks. Streaming is way more entertaining.
Yeah, name one good show on streaming. Mirror this time. Fargo,
True Detective.
American Math, broadcast. And isn't about a person attempting to navigate life in a small town in the aftermath of murder.
Look, come on, just give streaming a chance. Don't you want to watch something where if you miss even a second, you're hopelessly confused?
Yeah, or a great premise, which puts a lot of balls in the air, followed by a horribly disappointing ending that drops off. And on HBO Max, sometimes I've been afraid that you can move the guidance to the show.
See Connie Britton do a good job. I want to see Connie Britton talking about the good job she just did.
You know what I'm not hearing, guys? Cedric the Entertainer telling a white guy that he doesn't walk the right way. I may have to side with Peter now. And you also heard he's the perfect dumb guy's version of a smart dude, and I demand him on my television. Alright, I think I see how the tango is smoked. Less tango in Halifax. You ever heard of tango? Every nerve jagabout plays Sophie and Alan. A couple reunited in their 70s after 60 years apart. Sarah Lancashire plays Sylvia's incredible modern Carol. And in
I can't believe you buy milk and umbrellas at the same place. Oh, trash. Where's the fridge?
I sold it. You get rid of the things I love, I get rid of the things you love. I also sold that tiny Jewish head you got there.
That was my diet frame.
Now, Mom's gonna have a rough day in town. I guess it's time to try this streaming thing. It was her Netflix password. I don't know, I use quite worse. Squirrel Hunter? The truth about kicking your leg during sleep? Only the Otis scenes of Otis? And there's the Canadian Gillette. Alright. We do have Squirrel Hunter. Okay, I guess I'll click forgotten password. Now it's asking me to pick all the stoplights in a picture. Stoplight crowd. Okay, with a marquee reading spotlight. This might be a trick. Alright, what is the first concert you attended? Smash Mouth, the time they got Grand Prona in. Favorite pet? Wait, you're not gonna like this song, are you? No, I would never do that. Bartholomew, here's a big my Kevin James. Hi, Peter. You were my last viewer. And now that you've gotten rid of network TV, I'm out of a job. You're a sitcom kid, so if the couch accepts you, you can come in. Rough couch. Kevin James! I can't believe you're here! Hey guys, we got company! Wondering. So it's Freedom Fridays. I'm here because now that I don't have any viewers or a job, I need you to take care of me. My favorite pet ever. Of course it is, boss. In network TV, if someone shows up at your door, you have to take care of them. It's the pilot of most shows. Oh, really? Name 50. Barry, Two and a Half Men, Punky Brewster, Perfect Strangers, Frasier, Will and Grace, Friends, Judy, Home Economics, Mom, Dads, Cheers, Hope and Faith, Planet A. And I also started dating a woman who looks like she actually belongs with me. She has the most negative dating app page I've ever seen. Wants to know where all the good men are. Integrity only. I will not co-sign alone with the not underlined and a picture of her dog that says the only man who's never lied to me. Oh, this is great. Yeah, I think I'm a real guy now, Peter. I'm sure you see, Kevin, nothing's gonna stop you in the real world except by your own dirty, rascal system. Hey, I'm only heavy because Adam Sandler made me gain 60 pounds to be in his movies. I was heavy days, Lucy. Anyway, I owe you, Peter. Put it there. Hey, where did they land? I don't know. It's disappearing. It's the I guess.